delicate art of restoring a Victorian steam engine crankshaft, precision engineering from a bygone era.
The crankshaft is the heart of the engine. Every millimeter of wear must be measured and corrected before restoration. Cleaning the crankshaft removes decades of oxidation and grime, preparing it for precise machining.
Using modern machining techniques, we bring this Victorian crankshaft back to exact specifications, ensuring rotational balance and smooth operation.
Final finishing ensures every surface is flawless, reducing friction and preserving the integrity of this historic engine. With precision re-engineering complete, bringing the From inspection to machining, polishing, and reassembly, precision engineering revives history.